Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. JEI Off-Road, your one-stop shop for UTV and side-by-side accessories. Texas Tough Customs, custom lifts, cages, and bumpers. And by Boss Hog Torque Converters. Boss Hog, the original torque converter since 1970.
Thanks for tuning in to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We're hitting the road for next week's show. So while the crew is away, why not enjoy this little clip from our archives?
Well, we're in New Hampshire at NHOU Protective Coatings, and I have to tell you, I've been here for a couple episodes, and the facilities are impressive, but even more impressive is the product. Joe, tell us about some of the products.
So, we're in the business of empowering people to be able to be proactive and extend the life of their vehicle. Okay, so we do that by either offering a service or a product. We started off with oil. That's our signature product, and that is the most forgiving way to treat pre-existing rust. If you have rust on your vehicle now, oil, unlike conventional undercoating, is actually going to penetrate down through that rust to the good metal, displace moisture, remove oxygen. Take either of those out of the equation, you don't have oxidation. So it is a very effective way to slow things down.
You also have it for a new car as well?
Yes, we also have a wax oil, which goes on a completely brand new rust-free surface. We give you a one-time standalone black product that looks like conventional undercoating on your undercarriage, oil the body cavities. But everything is maintenance, so you're going to come back every 2 years for that. We're going to inspect it. We're going to check the body cavities. You're going to come back annually for your undercoatings. And actually, we are confident enough to say that our brand new vehicle wax oil comes with a nationwide warranty, lifetime warranty. That's against the wax barrier. We're not going to promise you that you're not going to have corrosion. But if you maintain that wax barrier, you'll have minimal corrosion.
Now, it's only as good as its application, and I'll tell you, I've been with you for a while. You're not going to throw this, here you go, here's your stuff, put it on. It doesn't work that way. You're going to stand behind this product, and that all revolves around these dealers, this network of dealers.
I cannot emphasize enough how important, how critical it is for you to have a good product and the proper application. Part of the proper application is going to be the equipment. All our guys come in here, we don't have $10, $20 Chinese guns. We have mostly Canadian, American, Italian made equipment that is professional equipment designed for the application and engineered just like the product for the application. They're trained by us how to hit all the spots. In fact, what we do is we have a group, a private online group where we're able to communicate. So if we try something that works, we can share it with the group. If we try something that doesn't, in reverse, we can tell them avoid that. We also have guys that specialize, let's say, in Jeeps, and they say, hey, if you bring a Jeep into your shop and it's this year, here's a critical area you need to get, and here's how you access it. So there's an awful lot that goes into training, including we give them webinars, we do online training for annual reinforcement of the training. We also hold public workshops. We have a vested interest in anybody using the product to apply it properly. But again, separating the, Joe Weekend Warrior who buys any product off the shelf, our guys have invested a lot of time. Some of them come in multiple times to train and retrain. Go to a factory train applicator.
Absolutely, and we actually have one here which is using an innovative idea, opening up his own business, living the American dream. Let's check him out. Todd with Mass Mobile Undercoating. How did you get involved with NHOU?
Well, I used the product personally for a number of years, did some research online, decided to fill a niche for a mobile unit, something that can come on site to the customer's location, whether it be a shop, a yard for landscapers, excavators, and I also do municipalities.
Tell me about the whole system when you get there, man. I mean, this is innovative.
Yeah, so I pull up on site, wherever it may be. I'm gonna need about 50 feet to park as a workspace. Vehicle goes up, set it up on the ramp, secure the vehicle, fire up the compressor. Again, fully self-contained, don't need to plug into anything, any of their equipment. Get the compressor going, and then I prep. Prep work includes going through the vehicle with compressed air, get rid of some dirt, debris, any of the old coatings, just make it clean. Then we move on to the coating. I got a full commercial setup. And just like you'd have in any station, any shop, I'm using the same equipment. So we just go ahead and start spraying. Same process as the shops, same product, inner cavities, pinch welds, the seams, etc., rockers, cab corners, doors, all those factory cavities.
Tell me how effective the training is for what you're doing.
The training's been great. I've been up here a few times, learning about the product, applying it myself. Joe and his staff have been easy to reach. I answer any questions I've had. They've been great, very supportive.
Well, what an entrepreneur. We saw the American dream is alive and well here at NHOU. If you want to know more, check them out on the website.
Thanks for joining us here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Our destination is California, where we find ourselves on location for next week. In the meantime, you can find us on Facebook, and if you have a product or an invention you want to see here on Motorhead Garage, email Jeff at masterstv.com. Until next week, drive safely. We'll see you.